So today we're going to show you how to use the Remmie Health device to look at an ear. Once the device is turned on and the light is solid and it's activated and you can see on the screen that there's an image, we can then start to go into the ear. What's important when you look into the ear is you want to hold the ear itself and just gently pull it back a little bit. Once you pull it back, you straighten out the ear canal. The nice thing about the device is you're not having to look right into the device like a standard otoscope, but you can look at the image as you go into the ear, and you can follow and just try to stay right in the middle. You don't want to try to hit the sides of the ear canal because it's sensitive. As you stay in the middle, you can see there's some hairs that are in the ear canal, and then as you go in a little bit deeper, you just gently go in right in the middle, and there's the eardrum. And the eardrum itself is very clear. It's a great image. You can record it at this point. You can take a picture if you want. So here we're going to take a picture by pressing the picture button on the actual device. There's a picture. It'll show up at the bottom of your screen. Another picture. It'll show up there. And once you're finished, you gently withdraw the device straight back out and then let go of the ear.